people have unrealistic expectations, not only like when they're using skincare products, but also with their esthetician. I think they expect like one use or one facial is going to miraculously clear up the years of damage that have been caused on their skin. Welcome to Skincare for Dummies, where I get asked questions by a dummy.
I'm here.
Are you ready?
That's me. I'm ready. Whew, I'm out of breath. I get a drink of water here.
Wait, where's the label?
I took it off. It's not sponsoring us. If you want to pay, I'll put you on our show. All right, so welcome to episode. What episode is this?
3.
Just roll your eyes at me. Episode 3.
Yeah.
I'm going to hold the mic like this the whole time. Welcome to episode 3 of Skincare for
I'm
Dummies.
sorry, friends.
Sorry, I'm excited for this one. I think it's going to help a lot of people. So, you ready for my questions? I got 2 for you today.
Oh, let's hear them.
Serum. You say
I
serum?
said let's hear them.
Sounds like you said serum.
I mean, that would be fitting too. Let's hear them.
All right, let's serum.
Let's hear them.
So, what is, if I'm a beginner, which I am in my skincare journey,
Which you shouldn't be, because I've tried to help you for a long time now. But anyways.
I'm a slow learner, but once it clicks, it clicks.
Okay.
Anybody else like that?
Okay. So if
Write
you're
it
a
in the
beginner on your skincare journey,
What is the first thing that you need to know?
it's a marathon, not a sprint. And what I mean by that is I think people have unrealistic expectations, not only like when they're using skincare products, but also with their esthetician. I think they expect like one use or one facial is going to miraculously clear up the years of damage that have been caused on their skin from neglect or being out in the sun or whatever. So going into it, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Give it time.
Okay.
And start slow. You don't need to use like a 10 or 20 step skincare regimen. When I have clients, I start them out sometimes as simple as a cleanser and a moisturizer, just to like get you in the routine of being consistent and using 2 important things in your skincare that you're going to be able to.
Say that again. What's the 2 things
I would start
you start with?
a cleanser and a moisturizer. Keep it very simple, but be consistent with those things every day. Morning and night, cleanse your face, put your moisturizer on. And I feel like once you get in a routine of that, you're going to start noticing changes in your skin. And then that's going to push you to be like, what else could I put in my routine? What else could I do to like up the ante of what I'm doing already? It's like habit stacking.
I feel like this is like the theme of like you.
I mean, it's a theme for life.
Well, no,
be
like
consistent.
You and my best friend Jean are the 2.
Here we go. Sentimental Dan. Okay, go ahead.
What? I'm soft in my old age.
Okay.
You want me to be hard? Let me take my shirt off and get hard?
Just
We're
continue.
going to have to cut that part out. It's not what I meant.
Okay.
Forgot what I was saying. It made me lose.
It's probably better that
All right,
way.
so, yeah, you and Jean are, and Eugene and Omar and Omar are the most consistent people I know, like, at being great. And I think that characteristic comes from you don't ever try to exceed where you're at. You master the level you're at, and then you move on to the next level, which is basically what you just said when it comes to skincare. Master your cleanser. And what else the other one?
I wouldn't necessarily say master those
like you
things.
just said, add
I
something
said
else.
mentally, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So don't go into it and like expect after 2 uses, like, wow, you're going to see these drastic changes.
If I go to the gym
Doesn't
twice,
work
I'm
like
not going
that.
to get buff.
Yeah, similar. Like you don't go to the gym once and you're skinny. I wish it worked like that, but it doesn't. It's consistency. It's doing those reps over time. Getting your reps in on your skincare, getting your reps in the gym. Like it all coincides. Like consistency is the key to everything.
Yeah, like I consistently kept trying to make you my girlfriend. And now look at us.
And you consistently messed up, and then you consistently got better and better over time.
that's
And
a
look at us
bar.
now.
Yeah, you love me.
Yeah, sort of.
What you mean, huh?
Sort of, yeah.
Sorta?
I love you. Okay.
All
You
right.
said you have 2 questions. What's the next?
So same concept. What's one thing a beginner esthetician should know and do when they're first starting out?
Be a master of one,
That's what I just said.
not mediocre at many.
Fire. Elaborate.
Wow, so look at how those kind of tied in together.
Man, you know, I'm a good host. I don't know if you know that yet, but you will find out.
So I think when you first start out as an esthetician, you want to offer all these services and do all these things, and that's cool, but I feel like it's better to pick one or two things, get really, really good at them, almost have those things be what people know you for. Tackle those first, as opposed to doing a whole bunch of things and you're like, kind of good at them. I would rather be a master at one or two things that is generating and giving people results that people love. It's making people refer you to their friends and other people. It's like what you're known for. I think that that's more important than trying to keep up on all these trends and try to do so many things at once, and then you're not really great at anything.
Which is basically the same thing as with your skincare. So what's two things that people could start, not people, but as beginner estheticians can start out doing, services they can offer that will generate them money?
I would say the most important is never stop learning, never stop educating yourself, because the beauty trends are constantly changing and there's constantly going to be things that you want to know, and you want to be able to give your clients the best information and the best help that you can. That's number one above everything, is like constantly educate yourself. But like I said, number two would be just find one or two things and get great at them.
If I don't know what, I know a microderm, microneedle. What should somebody start off?
There's so many different things that you can do in
What's
aesthetics.
the basic facial?
Well, I'm not even talking just facials. There's permanent makeup. There's brows. There's waxing. There's chemical peels.
So basically,
there's
find out what
all
you
different.
love.
Yeah, like you need to figure out what you enjoy doing, like what you would do. Like you said the other day, what services would you provide for free because you love doing them so much?
That's good.
Get really good at one or two of those, or maybe even just one. Like just master the heck out of one. And promote yourself and have it to where people are like, oh, this is great, I'm going to tell my friends. And then that's how you grow. But it's better to do that than you're doing 10 different things and you're not generating results for the client. They're not satisfied when they leave your treatment room. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I think that, especially like me cutting hair, that's the most important thing, is serving the person that's in your chair, serving the person that's at your place. Like, serve that person, serve the client. Don't focus too much on making money. Just give that person what they want.
That's a good tip too. Like always provide the best possible service with every single person that you have. Make it, give them an experience. So master one or two things really well. And when you are giving your treatments, like you got to give it everything you got. Put your elbow in it.
I'll give you everything I got, girl. I'll give you all my love and affection and attention.
This is where it ends. Like when you start getting weird, this is where.
Why is that weird? I love you.
People don't want to see you loving me.
Yeah, right.
They want the information.
No. People need to see. People need to see.
Oh, nah.
All right. Anything else you would like to add?
No, I think those are great questions because it helps estheticians, but it also helps everybody who's on a skincare journey. So.
Which is the two people I
nice
feel like.
Job.
I feel like that's the two people that you are here to serve in this channel and everything you're doing. You want to help somebody who's starting off on their skincare journey get better. You want to help beginner estheticians who don't even know where to start get better. And I'm excited to see how you make this grow. Let's grow.
Let's go.
All right. We done?
No.
Oh, love you guys. See you in the next video, or you can hear us in the next video. Peace.